How to fix file stream access denied in ChatGPT. So currently, we are using ChatGPT to basically just give us our own answer when trying to recreate the own error. So this usually happens when the platform can't open or process the file you uploaded or tried to generate. This can be due to permission issues, unsupported formats, or temporary glitches. So over here, we're gonna go ahead and try uploading a file that would normally work, but in every case that it doesn't, it will give you the specific file stream access error on the file. Not this one though, since this one works quite properly. So that's pretty much what you're supposed to do in order to have a proper file. But first, if you want to make sure it's a good file, then check file type and size, since the file is supported formats is these over here, and large files may fail to process, so try explaining the file or reducing size before uploading, since ChatGPT does have somewhat of a size limit sometimes. So you can also avoid special characters in the file name and stick to the simple naming. Check permissions as well. On Windows, you can just go to the properties and uncheck the read only, or if you're on Mac, you can do it on the get info option. Then you can always try re-uploading if the first time didn't work. Of course, this is the first thing you should have probably tried, and of course it is expected that you have already did. You can also try using a different browser or device for ChatGPT, so you can go ahead to more preferred browser like Edge or Brave or Google. Try ChatGPT in different basically self first, or you can also try converting the file. Since the file is a rare or old format, you can convert it to something more common like a JPEG or a document file. And for file downloads as well, which is generated by ChatGPT, if the error appears when downloading a generated file, make sure your system has the right permissions to the default download folder. Try changing the browser's download location to another folder as well. And if still blocked, ChatGPT may have had a temporary issue with generating the file, so just regenerate it by using the same prompts. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.